Hey, it's Reese. Y'all already know, welcome back for a quick little video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's jump right into this video. But wait a minute, wait a minute. Before we jump into this video, your girl has got to address something. All right. So when I posted the video, you guys, about the young lady, Peach McIntyre, I think that's her last name or whatever. I know it's Peach. Okay. About, what was going on with her hair. I said she was a beautiful young lady, but what was going on with the whole hair thing? Let me tell you, okay? Peach said, wait a minute. You're not even going to play with me today. Your hoes ain't going to play with me at all. Your girl came up on this camera and said, bitch, I got my hair done. Skin clear. Now what? Yes, your girl did. And y'all know what? Y'all already know I will give a bitch credit when it's due. And yes, she looks beautiful. Sure do. Now, what I wanted to address is the fact that from all of the comments that I have gotten in that video, which have been posted, I will say that no one has said any negative thing about her whatsoever. The only thing people were saying was that she does not like to get her hair done, and that's just how she is. Okay. So I wanted to make that very, very clear. Okay. I was told that, cause they had to break it down for me because like I said, I don't watch her. I was only doing a reaction on, you get what I'm saying, the whole hair thing. And the whole hair thing was blowing the shit out of me. You feel me? Y'all already know how I do. I'm real honest. So anyway, your subscribers, they don't play. Your subscribers say, yeah, we tell her to get her hair done. We sure do. But they said, you are an excellent mother. They said that you know how to get that bag and you make sure that your house and everything is well put together. They made it very clear that you were not like the rest of these mommies. Okay. They even decided to go ahead and educate me. They said that you wrote a book. Someone also told me that you have your real estate license, and they said you are saving your coins to go ahead and get your first house. I guess, you get me? I don't know if you own the house you in now, but that's what they say. Now, from one boss bitch to another. Good job, Peaches. But anyway, we're going to get into this video with Chrissy. And this is a video of a haul that she did. Now, the first outfit that Chrissy has on is this white coat with some type of black and white thing underneath of it. Now, Chrissy, the white coat, it's just not a good look. The white coat is giving me these type of vibes. It's giving me polar bear vibes. It's giving me Pillsbury Dough vibes. It's giving me the Michelin Man vibes. It's just not a good look. But what blows the fuck out of this outfit even more is the fact that they got a nerve to have some little white Michelin Pillsbury Doughboy boots. The boots gotta go. They gotta go. I'm trying to tell you right now, if I would have had to do this, and if you did order them, when they came in the mail, you should have said, no, they do not fit. You should have did the old rinky dink and showed us what they look like and said, if you guys want them, go ahead and get them. But yeah, those boots, they are definitely a no-go whatsoever. I mean, they are a no-go, okay? So the next little outfit that Chrissy had on was like a little black turtleneck with like some black and white pinstripe pants, slacks. And she has on a pair, I think, of like open-toe slippers, with the fur over them, the ones that you get from out the beauty store, they like $5. Yeah, that's what she got on with them. And she has some type of teddy bear type of bag wristlet or whatever, and it's horrible. I'm gonna say that it's a teddy bear type of color, and it does not go with anything. That's definitely a no-go for me. Okay. Now the next third outfit that she has on is a black tight pencil skirt with a long sleeve shirt with basically some type of colors on it. And she has these white boots on. Woo! Man, why you let Chrissy come on this camera to do this with these goddamn white boots on? The white boots are horrible. I'm sorry. They just, yeah. So, I mean, the skirt, it's an okay outfit. Me personally, I kind of don't like it. I mean, maybe if she take the white boots off, I probably still wouldn't like it. It's just, if she like it, I love it. Next, she has on like this black dress, but it's like a regular shirt dress. It's a shirt dress basically, and it's buttoned down. Then she has on some type of like chain belt. I mean, it's okay. Me personally, I wouldn't go out or go to an event with it on. That's something that I probably would put on in the house and come outside and sit on my patio with it. Yeah. Next, she has on this like teddy bear brown. It has leggings to it. You know, Chrissy love her leggings, you know. And then she has a matching top that goes with it, with the ruffle sleeves at the top. At the end of the shirt, and then the one ruffle going around the stomach part. That outfit, she also has on the little furry slippers on again. That outfit to me, it fits her very well. It's cute. Okay. The next outfit that Chrissy has on is a two-piece. You get me? I don't know what's up with Chrissy and the two pieces. I just don't. But I would say refrain from the two pieces a little bit until you get your situation down there together. Because it kind of like when you take pictures, we already know that you don't like it because you kind of try to put your arm over it. So that basically makes us zone in, or anybody that's looking at it zone in to your stomach. Okay, that's just a thought. She has a little wristlet plastic box as a bag, a purse, or whatever. That's the type of stuff she like. I think I seen her with a carry-out pocketbook that said "takeout" on it. It was made like a rice box. Yeah, that little girl shit. Okay. So she also has on in the next one, she has on a pair of like jeans with rips in them. These jeans are not fitted. They look like they are what you call boyfriend jeans. And then she has a t-shirt on it with something on the front. That's an okay outfit. That's an outfit that you go to the market with on, or, you know, walk around the neighborhood or whatever, walk out to get your trash. Yeah. So the next outfit that Chrissy decided to have on is this brown type of jumper-like skirt. So it's just basically a pleated skirt with basically, I would say like suspenders, but the suspenders have ruffles on it. And she has a basic long sleeve, like mop turtleneck shirt on or whatever. That outfit to me, that's definitely a no-go. It just makes her look like a brown Build-A-Bear, a girl one. Yeah. Next outfit is nothing spectacular. She has on some leggings. She has a long sleeve shirt with it. It's a two-piece set, and it's kind of long, and it comes over her butt. She then has those boots. They're not Uggs. They're the ones that look like there's a big raccoon wrapped around the whole entire top of the shoe, fighting for his life. Yeah, so she has that on. Next, I guess Chrissy decided to go ahead and she was going to bring out Main Man to go ahead and spice up this video a little bit better, because we definitely need something else to spice up this video. So in this video, they are kind of like coupling, like dressing. Both of them have jeans on and they have t-shirts on, okay? With, a little novelty t-shirt with something on the front or whatever. I think they really, really look cute. One thing I can say about it, when Chrissy does come on camera with her boyfriend, you can see that they have a special connection. I mean, even when she looks at him, you can look at her and you can look at him, and the way her face is something different that that we have not seen before. So I will, you know what I'm saying? I will say that. Next, her and him have on like a tan sweatsuit. His is tan sweatsuit. She has the tan shirt on and the tan pants on sweatsuit. This right here set blows the shit out of me. I like his, but on Chrissy, it just looks like she has a sweatshirt on with trash bags taped on each pants leg. And another reason I don't like this actual outfit, because these are outfits that I actually seen, like people in the mall with on or whatever. And when they walk, they make that sound like sounding like they in a horror movie, like it's Jason and something, and they walking through the woods and they still get caught. Yeah, that's the only thing. But I mean, yeah. Those pants are a no-go. I wouldn't advise you, Chrissy, to do any type of cooking or smoking in them. You would have melted to the ground like the witch of the Wicked West. That's exactly what would have happened. The next little outfit they got on is both of them have another jogging set on, pants and bottom, black. And it has the word black on them or whatever. And again, that one I like. It's just a plain basic jogging set with the word black on them. Yeah, so yeah, I like it. So with this haul, I will say, Chrissy, you did have like some really, nice outfits than you normally have, or and you seem much upbeat in these type of hauls when you do them, since you got a boyfriend, I guess, to stand by you and, to comfort you and stuff. But yeah, it makes it a little bit more interesting. But again, baby, that's white coat. That white coat is a no-go all the way around. Girl, when I see you come on that camera, girl, with that white coat, girl, and you had it on like you was like the pimp. Okay, like you was the madam, you get me, of some type of country club or something like that. And I said, wait a minute. I said, I know she just did not put that whole white ankle almost coat on. It Woo! Yeah, throw that one away, Chrissy. Throw that one away, baby. Throw it away. Throw it away. Matter of fact, Chrissy, some of the stores, I think like Burlington, whatever, if you give them a coat, you go ahead and give them a coat. They give you a discount on your purchase. All right. If I was you with that white coat, I would run on down, okay, and give them that coat immediately. All right. I wouldn't even let anybody see me give them that coat with a lot of people in the store. You want to do it when the store first opens. Just go ahead and do the okie doke, run in there real quick. All right. Drop it in the box. Okay, and then run up to the register or get your little coupon where you can come back another day and use your discount. All right. So yeah, y'all, with that being said, I am going to go ahead and get on off of here, and I will see you beautiful people in the next video. Later.